Amazon took away most of our ability to communicate with customers. It sucks. Well, it seems like they're rolling out this new tool, and I'm going to tell you about it today. My name's Jason Master Mateo with My Amazon Guy. I'm one of the account directors here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this new program called the Customer Engagement Tool. If you go up to your Brands tab, and you've been selected for the beta of this program, you'll see a Customer Engagement tab here. If you click on that, you'll get brought into a little console here, and you can create a campaign. Select your brand, and you can put in a campaign title. This is your email blast subject and header. Upload your logo, upload your horizontal banner logo here, and then put in the ASINs that you'd like to promote. After that, you go to delivery window and select the dates for your email blast and click Start Campaign. Now this is good because it brings brand awareness along with complementing social posts and your brand store, and seems like it's going to target repeat customers and engage them to come back and buy again. As always, if you have any Amazon questions, go to myamazonguy.com and book a coaching call with one of us. We're here to help with any questions you have. Thanks.